Somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. Science is not only compatible with spirituality, it is a profound source of spirituality. If you wish to make an apple pie from scratch, you must first invent the universe. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. Imagination will often carry us to worlds that never were, but without it we go nowhere. It pays to keep an open mind, but not so open your brains fall out. We are like butterflies who flutter for a day and think it is forever. The universe is a pretty big place. If it's just us, seems like an awful waste of space. The cosmos is within us. We are made of star stuff. We are a way for the universe to know itself. We make our world significant by the courage of our questions and the depth of our answers. The universe seems neither benign nor hostile, merely indifferent. The beauty of a living thing is not the atoms that go into it, but the way those atoms are put together. Science is a way of thinking much more than it is a body of knowledge. The cure for a fallacious argument is a better argument, not the suppression of ideas. If it can be destroyed by the truth, it deserves to be destroyed by the truth. You have to know the past to understand the present. In all our searching, the only thing we've found that makes the emptiness bearable is each other. But nature is always more subtle, more intricate, more elegant than what we are able to imagine. A celibate clergy is an especially good idea, because it tends to suppress any hereditary propensity toward fanaticism. Books break the shackles of time, proof that humans can work magic.